Ever gazed up at the moon, wondering if there was a way to earn real-world rewards for its beauty? Well, with lunar coins, you can. In the vast digital landscape, where cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are revolutionizing finance, a new opportunity has emerged: lunar coins. These unique digital assets are tied to the moon, literally. So, how can you get your hands on these celestial coins? Lunar mining. The basics: this involves using specialized software to solve complex mathematical problems. The hardware: you'll need powerful computers or specialized mining rigs to process these calculations. The energy consumption: be aware that lunar mining can be energy intensive, so consider eco-friendly options. Lunar exchanges. Buying directly: many cryptocurrency exchanges now list lunar coins. You can purchase them directly using traditional currencies or other cryptocurrencies. Trading: engage in trading on exchanges to potentially profit from price fluctuations. Lunar staking. Earning passive income: by staking your lunar coins, you can earn rewards without actively mining or trading. The process: you lock up your coins for a specific period, and in return, you receive a portion of the network's transaction fees. Lunar faucets. Free coins: lunar faucets are websites that dispense small amounts of lunar coins to users. Completing tasks: to claim these coins, you usually need to complete simple tasks like watching ads or solving CAPTCHAs. Tips for maximizing your lunar coin earnings. Stay updated. Keep up with the latest news and developments in the lunar coin ecosystem. Join communities. Connect with other lunar coin enthusiasts to share tips and strategies. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in other cryptocurrencies as well. Be patient. Building wealth takes time. Don't expect overnight riches. Security first. Protect your digital assets with strong passwords and secure wallets. The future of lunar coins. As the space industry continues to grow, the demand for lunar coins is expected to increase. With potential applications in space exploration, satellite technology, and even lunar real estate, the future of lunar coins looks bright. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.